I serve creator of all existence. You see skies, and you people that serve them so-called gods up under them names and all that old stuff, they gonna have to keep on spraying the skies with them planes and keep putting chemicals up there, and y'all keep on trying to conjure up them smoke demons. Continue doing what you're doing, and the creator already said, turn from your evil and wicked ways. Turn from them. And if you don't, then you won't, but you will go where the creator points you to go at. And this time, it won't be no getting out. And y'all can see how the sky look. See that crisp sky blue right there? Y'all see that? Crisp sky blue. Clean. With the eternal spiritual energy being up there. Super shining. Super bright. Supercharged on them. For the creator. And everybody that went against the creator, your time is up. Your time is up. Like I said, they're going to have to keep on flying their little airplanes and all that. They're going to have to keep on flying them. They're going to have to keep on flying their airplanes. They're going to have to keep doing it. And I'm going to keep on calling on the creator. And I'm going to keep on. And I'm going to keep on calling on the creator. And I'm going to keep on asking the creator to clear these skies out. And I'm going to keep on focusing on keeping the skies clear. And I'm going to keep on singing to the sun that y'all call the sun. That is an eternal energy, spirit being that's here from the creator in his appointed place. And he gonna shine super bright. And we gonna keep our appointed places. Unlike the most stupidest, dumbest, lowest energy ever to exist in history, ever in existence. That's what y'all are. So they're gonna have to keep on flying them planes. They have to keep on doing it. I don't care about none of it. None. Y'all started a losing battle when you walked away from the creator. Your time is up. I said they're gonna have to keep doing it. They're gonna have to keep doing it. Smoke demons might be in some of y'all skies, but it ain't none in my skies. Surprise, surprise. And it goes out to any and everybody. I serve the creator. It ain't no such thing as a most high. Ain't no such thing as nothing called a god. Them is all demons. All of them. Your Jesus Christ, all of them. Your Egyptians, your Iranians, your Indian religions, all of them. They all demons, and I serve none of them no more. The creator wiped me clean. I serve the creator of all existence. Walk away from it while you can and ask the creator for forgiveness. I go into eternal damnation of nothingness. Where it say everything suspect to me, everything. Smoke demons might be in some of y'all skies, but my eyes see none you see. Smoke demons might be in some of y'all skies, but my eyes see none you see. Yeah. Got them smoke demons up out of here. So guess what? They're gonna have to keep on flying these. They have to keep on flying them. I don't know if the camera's picking him up. They're gonna have to keep flying them. It's like the fifth or sixth one since I got it clear over here. Since the creator cleared it and allowed me to focus to get it clear, it's like the fifth or sixth one. They're gonna have to keep their little mechanical, stupid, fallen knowledge in disguise doing this nonsense, cause I ain't gonna stop. I serve the creator of all existence. If you don't get it, you shouldn't, cause you missed it. Look, you gonna be pissed when we get this energy and we come and we gonna destroy our creator's enemies. Multiple. They do multiple passes. They do multiple passes over here. They ain't got no other choice. They do multiple passes over here. They ain't got no other choice. None. They ain't got no other choice. They clinging on for duration. Because they know what time it is. The only ones that don't know what time it is all you people that's deceived in that keep on denying the creator. Stupid. Smoke demons might be in some of y'all skies, but my eyes see none you see. Charge on them, son. Supercharge on them, son. That's right. Bright burn on them. Charge on them. Supercharge on them, son. For the creator. Bright burn for them. I thank you, creator, for sending us the light. Supercharge, super shine, super bright. Creator letting me know everything is all right. Creator letting me know everything is all right. Multiple passes. They're going to have to keep them in there. All the little demon-possessed people that serve the fallen, they're going to have to keep working overtime. Overtime. You know, they're going to have to keep on working them. Keep on working them, because I ain't going to stop for going against the creator. You have been judged for continuing to go against the creator. You have been condemned to everlasting nothingness of non-existence. You're going to have to keep flying them, bro. You're going to have to keep on flying them. Don't know how many it is, but I'm pretty sure I'm probably close to about 10 of them. Like I said, they're going to have to do multiple passes. Multiple passes. You're going to have to keep doing it. You're going to have to keep doing it. You're going to have to keep doing it. Multiple passes. Multiple passes. I don't know if I'm getting him. He's right above them trees, though. You see him? Try to slide through where I didn't think nobody was going to see him. He's way off in the distance, though. It's like they gonna get everything that they ask for. They gonna get everything that they work towards. Nothing. There you go right there. There you go right there. I done lost count. They done came through it so many times. I done lost count. Normally I don't even keep up with them, but once I got it cleared out, once the creator cleared it out and allowed me to focus to get it cleared out and it cleared out, and the little homies up there super shining, super charged, I already knew they was going to come through with their foolishness. And they've been doing this ever since it got clear. So ain't no telling. I might have didn't even catch a lot of them. You know what I'm saying? But that's what they continue to do. They gonna have to make multiple passes, no rest, none. Just like I don't get no rest, none. Supposed to be my peoples. All you did was wish death on me. I don't know if it's catching it. I don't know if it's catching it. But he's up there though. Like I said, I ain't I just want to show y'all, they gotta do multiple passes. I don't think I caught him on camera though. Cause I ain't too good with this technology nonsense. Multiple passes. Multiple passes. Multiple passes. They ain't got no other choice. They keep doing it. They ain't got no other choice. None. None. Their time is up and they know it. I don't know if this is gonna pick that up, man, because every time I do it like this, for some reason it don't do it. Let me see if I just can't get it like this first. I don't know why it ain't doing it. It might be because the little homie's so bright. He's messing with the frequency on his phone. Did y'all see that? They doing multiples. They ain't got no other choice. I ain't gonna be able to zoom in on him. But, that little white streak right there, that is another one. I don't know how many it makes, but they got to continuously do my area like that because I'm in contact with the creator of all existence that gave all existence and all life. So the demons is scrounging to keep everything covered up. Phone must need to be charged.